Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today's Leetcode daily challenge is arithmetic subarrays. This is a medium level question. Although it has been mentioned as medium, but after understanding it, it will be quite easy for us to solve. So basically in this question we have been given an array and we have to find that if the given array has a sequence of number which is arithmetic, how can we find that a number or a sequence is in arithmetic order? The way to find it is the difference between the two consecutive numbers will be same. Like if we have 1, 2, 3, so this can be said as an arithmetic sub sequence, arithmetic sequence, because the difference between 1 and 2 is 1 and 2 and 3 is also 1. So now we have the basic idea of how to find the sequence is arithmetic or not. So now we have been given two arrays, namely left and right in the in the question. So in the nums array we have to iterate from left to right and check if that subsequence or that sub array is in arithmetic progression or not, or arithmetic sequence or not. So if we have nums here as 4, 6 and 5, right, from 0 to 2 we have to iterate. So 0, 1, 2. Now if we sort it out, it will become 4, 5 and 6. Now we can see that it is an arithmetic sequence, right? Now we have to move forward in the left and right array, so we will have 0 to 3. Now in the same way we will take 4, 6, 5 and 9. Now after sorting it out we will see that we have 4, 5, 6 and 9. All of them have all of these have the difference 1, but between 6 and 9 the difference will be 3. So this is not an arithmetic sequence. Moving forward we have 2 and 5 are the as the different indices, so we will move from here to here. So we have 5, 9, 3, 7. If we sort it out, then we have 3, 5, 7, 9. If we see that we have a common difference as 2 in all between all of them, right? This is also 2 and this is also 2. So this is in arithmetic sequence. So let's move on to the approach for this question. I will be sharing a very simple solution for this and it will be quite beginner friendly. So let's move on to the approach of the question. First step, what we have to do here is, as we can see what we were doing, we had a left and right indices, right? So we have to just iterate between those. So we will get the array, sub array between the given left and right indices. So we will get the sub array between given L and R. L of I and R of I. After that, what we have to do? We will sort it out. So we will sort the subarray. Now we have already got the subarray. After this, what we will do? We will simply check for differences. So we will check that if difference, we will take out the difference for if we have like 4, 5, 6, right? So we can get this difference and after that we can compare for all the others. So we will get the difference first. Get get difference between first two numbers and then we will compare, and then we compare. What we compare? If the difference is not equals to ARR of I minus ARR of I minus 1. Whenever this condition will fail, we will directly return false. And if out of this will be going on in a for loop, right? So if if this condition never becomes true, that means all of them have the same difference. Therefore, at the end of the function, we will be returning true. So this part will be taking place in a single function. So we will create a function for this to check if array or subarray is arithmetic or not. Let's move on to the code. So whatever little doubts will be there, it will be clear with that. Let's see the code now. So in this code, what I am doing here is I have declared an array to store the result in the form of true and false. Now I am iterating on the length of this array, right? We have L and R, both of them will have the same length, so I will take the length. And now what I am doing is I am creating a function called isArithmetic to check that if the function is arithmetic or not. Now after that, what I am doing is I am passing length, I am passing the array from here, and the array I am passing here is a kind of sub array which will have only the digits from L to R index. Okay, and I am also passing L and R from here. Now what I am doing here is I will be sorting this array and find actually this is not needed here. I can just share the sub array, and then I am finding the difference here. After finding the difference, now I have a thing, I have a value to compare with. So I will keep on comparing with every, that if the difference is not equals to not equals to array of I minus array of I minus 1. So if this condition turns out to be true, then we will be returning false. Otherwise we have to return true out of the loop. Now once this function returns a value, it will be stored in val, and we will append the value in result. After that we will be returning result. Now let's run the code and see. The sample test cases have been accepted. Let's submit the question. So this code has been accepted. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon to get further notification for the daily Leetcode challenges.